Hello everybody, it's your host Jackson Indongo, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to patch up your pants. If you enjoy tutorials like this, be sure to like, comment and subscribe to your boy's channel. I'm trying to grow. Without further ado, let's get into this tutorial, y'all. Alright, we're going to create a vertical line across the pants, and once that line has been created, you're going to cut the line and you're going to replicate it on the other side. Then you're going to take the material that you're borrowing from and you're going to trace out the patches that you just cut from. Now, it's very important that the pieces you are cutting from, especially the side that which you will be reattaching back to the jean material, has a seam allowance of at least 0.5, so that when, or a whole inch if you want, it doesn't really matter really. But the reason we're doing this is because we want to make sure that when everything is said and done, you still have the same equal sizing of pants that you had prior to the alteration. So please be sure to create that seam allowance. And once that's been created and you've cut out the pieces and you're happy with it, attach it back to your jean shorts. And then once that's done, we're going to go to the sewing machine and sew everything together. We're now going to take our pants and sew. When everything is said and done, we're going to go back to our board and we're going to pin and put everything together so we can come back and do one final sew. This is what the jeans are looking like after we've put back our replacement pieces. The beauty about the jean construction is to literally guide you on how to put it back together. So I'm just following back how the construction of the jean is. I've pinned everything and I'm just gonna sew according to what I'm comfortable with. You can sew in any way, which way you're comfortable in, but just follow the construction of the jean, making sure that you've pinned down, especially like the backbone of the jean. So I'm putting everything back together right here, right now. I'm literally sewing everything together. And once everything has been sewed together, it should look something like so. I'm now just doing the final touch, which is putting back the middle part together. And I'm also going to put the decorative stitches on top of the jean, so everything just seems like it was not altered and it's gonna look amazing. Here we are on the sewing machine. I'm putting my decorative stitches and I'm also finishing up the final line that I just pinned down. Once everything has been said and done, your final product should look something like so. Hey guys, so that is how you patch up your pants. And if this tutorial was helpful to you, leave a comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Help me grow. And I have similar tutorials such as these on the page. Check them out. And if there's any questions that you have, just drop it down in the comment section and I'll do my best to cater to your request. Hope you guys are having a fantastic summer and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.